How to allow user to delete account in django-allauth? I'm trying to figure out the best way to allow users to delete or deactivate their account using django-allauth, and I'm assuming I need to set as _active field to false. My solution below has a few issues. 1. The rendered checkbox field as _active shows the text designates whether this user should be treated as active. Unselect this instead of deleting accounts. How do I change this text to check this box if you are sure you want to delete this account? Update. Just realized checking the box that says _active to true while unchecking the box sets it to false, so perhaps I might need to use a different field to validate the form? 2. How do I log out user on submit? Forms.py. Views.py. User profile _del.html. Render.
Wanted to provide a potential answer for views to both deactivate and delete the user. You then need to create the templates for each of these and the URL routing, but those should be pretty simple.
For issue 1, override the help text attribute of this field. You can do that in your model forms init method. For issue 2, you'll probably want to disable the allauth intermediary logout page in your settings and redirect to the logout page in your view logic. This will redirect to the logout URL, which will then forward the user to the URL set in your settings via account_logout_redirect_URL. Your user's account is now deactivated and they have been logged out.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.